So today's tip for y'all is all about how to make a delicious homemade candy. Now in this pot, I had 2.5 cups of sugar, 6 ounces of evaporated milk, and a half a stick of butter. And I've cooked that for 8 minutes. And in this bowl, I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a pound of chocolate candy, about 2 cups of pecans, and a half of a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. Now we're just gonna pour this hot, sweetened, buttery milk over all those ingredients. And that bubbling hot, sweet milk is gonna melt the chocolate and the marshmallow. Look, it looks all caramelly because the sugar has kind of darkened. And you can see we've got a wonderful homemade candy in less than 60 seconds. So all I'm gonna do is spoon these morsels of candy up on parchment paper. You're gonna wanna drop these quickly because they cool quickly. Doesn't that look good? You're gonna love this one. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.